Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is AH for Truth. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, make a comment. Let me know what you think. It also helps the channel as we continue to grow. We're approaching 12,000 subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my new members. You can become a member of the channel, $5.11 a month. Try it. If you don't like it, no problem. Hop off, hop on. All right, what do I want to talk about today? I want to talk about how I ignored Bitcoin in 2013. Now, I didn't know a lot about it, but I heard about it. I didn't know what the price was, but people were talking Bitcoin. Now, if you are somebody who cares about investment, somehow, because you already have some momentum in the area you are investing, whether it's in real estate or in insurance or in some other, any financial instrument or opportunity, you are likely going to hear about something that's coming up, right? But multi-level marketing, the people actually who are involved in multi-level marketing usually have their ears to the ground to hear what's new. And I must say this, in 2013, there was a group of guys involved in multi-level marketing here in this city, and they were the ones who started talking about Bitcoin. I ignored it because I thought I had better plans. And what is it about better plans? I could have bought 20 Bitcoins for $2,000 US. It would have been easy to do. Do you know that would have been over $2 million today? But I ignored what was tugging inside. Just take a look. Oh no, what is it? Oh no, oh no. There are people today ignoring the crypto market. They're ignoring XRP. They're holding on to their stocks. They're holding on to what they know. There are some people, so here are some reasons. Number one, some people are threatened by something that is new. So they ignore the new and hold on to the familiar. Number two, some people think it's too good to be true. I said this in one of my videos earlier. Maybe you watched it already. It's too good to be true. It can't be. Like, how can something just rise so quickly and go from where it is now to, no, it's too good to be true. And the other thing is, sometimes the vessel that brings the news is somebody you don't like. I'll give you an example. For myself, the multi-level marketing people were the ones talking about Bitcoin. It's like, man, I was not involved in multi-level marketing. I tried something before I got my hands or fingers burnt, and I'd also tried something else that I didn't really, the vibe, it was almost like every week we had to have a meeting. It consumed time. It was, and at the beginning they said it wasn't going to be that way, but it ended up being exactly what they said it was going to be. You see? So I didn't want to hear again from the multi-level marketing people. Would you blame me? And I think that some of you have watched my videos a few times and you are on the fence saying, I don't know. I want to see what will happen. Let's see what will happen to this thing. Maybe if crypto begins to go up, and this is exactly what happens. When things begin to take off, that's when people run and come and like, oh, let me join. I want to be part of it. How can I buy? The how can I buy will come when the greed index is high up there. When everybody's wanting to rush in. That's when those who have taken position will be rushing out or running out or coming off. So I'm asking you a question right now. Why are you making the same mistake that many people have made in the past and you are not learning from it? I chose to learn from my mistakes. You can see I have some gray hair. It tells you that I'm advancing in years, right? Some people may have it as a gift, but I don't want gray hair as a gift. But the reality is that I've been around for a while and I've seen cycles. Everything goes up, everything comes down. Stocks go up, stocks come down. Now we have cryptos. Don't ignore XRP. That's all I want to say today. Don't ignore XRP. Look around. Some people say, well, I don't really have that money to invest. I do have some investments that I have my confidence in. Well, why don't you take those investments and maybe repurpose a portion of them into XRP, into XLM, into XDC, into the ISO 222 coins. Now, before I go today, this is not meant to be a long video, but I just remembered that way back in the day, I checked in 2013, yes, Bitcoin in April of 2013, it shot up from $13 to $100. I ignored it. I wasn't looking at the charts. I only heard about it, okay? But I could have investigated. And when I heard about XRP, I did my digging, I did my investigation. Now, before you go, I just want to tell you about the Memecoinology conference coming up on September 27th from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Some of you have already heard about it. Some of you need it, but you are ignoring it because you think, well, maybe I have time. Maybe I have time. With the Memecoinology conference, I mean, it's $350. You can register in the description below. The website to register is memecoinology.io. And just go to the website. That's all you need to do. Just go there and you will see what you would learn if you come on to that, if you join us in the event. It's going to be great. It's going to be glorious. Okay, it's going to be amazing. And the video is evergreen. It's available for you after. It's just a 3-hour event divided into 4 parts. We'll talk about 14 prophetic meme coins. Meme coins is one of the shortest routes to create wealth. Why? Because they are cheap. Some of them have 7 zeros, some have 8 zeros. Imagine one meme coin. You put 1,000 in it and it cancels 3 meme coins. That's your seed money that you are going to put into the other blue chip cryptos. Because there are many people who don't have money for the blue chip cryptos. And even people who have money right now, who are millionaires, are investing in Bitcoin, in meme coins. What are you waiting for? So the Memecoinology conference comes up on Saturday, September 27th. Besides that, it's November 6th to 9th. We're having the crypto conference one-on-one 7.0. It would be in Conroe, Texas from November 6th to 9th, 2025. So if you are interested in that, send me an email. My email is in the description. Send me an email and say I'm interested in the conference coming up in Conroe, Texas. And you can fly in from Europe. You can fly in from anywhere in the States, Canada, anywhere. Join us there. It's going to be awesome. If you send me an email, I'll give you the description. I'll tell you where. I'm sorry, I will tell you how to pay. You pay, and then from there we'll give you all the information. Right? Well, we'll give you all the information. You pay. That's how it works. So in Texas, in the next little while, November 6 to 9, I will be back in Texas. I was there. I really had a great time. By the way, you guys in Texas, you guys have I think you. I don't want the Australians to hear me, but I think you guys got the best beef. And you know how to cook it. So, all right. Well, thank you guys. This is all I wanted to say. Please don't ignore what's tugging in your heart. You know, maybe you don't know what to do. It's like, man, I'm new to crypto. I don't know how to navigate this space. That's why we're here. I'll help you. We'll help you. We'll help you navigate the space. If you have if you have room, if you can plan to be in Texas, or you are coming for Memecoinology on September 27th, I'm telling you, it'll blow your mind. You will be blessed. We'll also talk about precious metals during the Memecoinology conference. So just go to memecoinology.io and register, and we'll see you on Saturday. It's just about 5 days from now. Well, God bless you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.